Dear teachers and students, we want to sincerely congratulate you on the Independence Day of the Republic of Kazakhstan. This holiday is rightfully considered a symbol of freedom and the power of our country.
There are many different states and countries in the world, but I have one for me in my motherland.
With all our hearts, we congratulate citizens of Kazakhstan with Happy Independence Day of the Republic Kazakhstan, the main holiday of the country, symbol of our independent government.
May the independence of our country, which has a blue flag, be as dignified and majestic as it is today.
I sincerely hope that the status of our country will rise and continue to flourish in the world.
Please accept my sincere congratulations on the Independence Day of the Republic of Kazakhstan.
Happy Independence Day!
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 Happy Independence Day!